Hello everyone, Luke here and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm basically going to be showing you what has been going on in the past 2 weeks since we started our Twitch channel. So there's a lot of stuff that's gone on, mostly a bit funny, mostly just working on stuff and then also drinking a lot of coffee. So my idea was to put a whole selection of the best clips in my opinion, or the funny clips or the informational clips, together in some sort of montage to show you what sort of stuff we actually do get up to on the Twitch channel. So without further ado, let's get going with that. So here is what we've been getting up to.
Right there, man.
Yep.
The first time constant is very quick, and it never fully charges. So it depends what you mean by fully charged. So 80% charge should be really quick, and the other 80% of the remaining 20% will take the same amount of time as the first 80% did, and it will continue like that, but it never fully charges. Yeah, then it's something wrong.
Alex says hello.
Hello, Alex.
Hello Alex. Alex the physicist.
Ah, yes, Alex is our resident physicist expert. Well, that boy doesn't know about physics. You could write on the back of a postage stamp. He was in a few days ago talking about his plan for world domination. It sounded really convincing, actually. I mean, I was convinced. I almost called him Sir Alex. A great guy, eh? Smart guy. Right, I'm going to get some sand.
Sand!
Won't be long, mate.
Okie dokie.
Is there anything you want?
Peace and happiness
For all
for
mankind.
mankind.
Lifetime?
Yeah.
Okay, mate, I'll look out for it. I'm not sure they have it in the sand area, but we'll see.
Righty, I'll see you in a sec, Rob. It's funny, you guys could chat for England for sure. Yeah, easy peasy, we would win awards as well. All day. The amount of subjects that we bounce through, it's kind of cool. Anyway, I'll be literally 2 seconds. Gotta drill these holes out, otherwise I'll be here all day. Sorry, I got well distracted by that bloody mic in a tube.
Wasn't it? Look, shiny.
So we definitely get up to a lot of interesting stuff on the stream, but that is not even hitting the tip of the iceberg compared to what we really do get up to, because if I was to put all of the clips in, this video would be hours long and we would be banned in 17 countries. But like I promised in my last video, I'm going to shout out the first few people that decided to follow our Twitch channel. And I am going to be super sorry if I do butcher the actual pronunciations of your usernames, but it's usually a combination of letters and numbers, and it's kind of hard to read. So, let's get on with the list. So, if I really do mispronounce your username, well, you've only got yourself to blame for having an unpronounceable username. And with that being said...
And you can always think about renaming yourself something like Bob.
Bob.
Dave.
Or John.
John.
Anyway, self-indulgence, Stenik001, Wolfer Bang Bang, Vivek Ratnaka, Theroject XY, Poor John, Barbu.
See, Poor John. Brilliant name.
Easy peasy. Barbu, Mumby67, Not My Fault, Patzer, Stuck or Stu59, Stu. Ricky Ticky 1980, and sorry, you're gonna have to help me with this one again, Rob.
Gockenhaar.
Or
Robert Johnson. Or Bob.
Bob. Thank you, everyone, very much for being the first ones to subscribe to our Twitch channel.
In fact, if I could ask you a favour, if you could all rename yourselves Bob 1 to 1 million, that would be brilliant.
That would make it super easy. And a huge thanks to everyone that's come over and gave our Twitch channel a follow. And we're going to be changing our time. And it's going to be from 2 till 6. And the reason for that is because most people says it works best for them. And there you go. If you didn't catch what the sort of flavour of the Twitch channel is from that little back and forth, you definitely have now. And with that being said, that does bring me to the end of this video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to put them in the comments, and I'll try my best to respond to them all.
And hopefully, we'll see you on the Twitch.
Yeah, and with that being said, I hope you have a great day, and I hope to see you on the Twitch.